Buongiorno a tutti! My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today we will be baking calzoni con ricotta, which is ricotta turnovers, from the kitchen of Grazia Pinto. For this recipe, you'll need the ricotta, obviously, salt, cold water, shortening, flour, eggs, lemon zest, vanilla, sugar, and baking powder. For the first step, you're going to combine your flour and your salt, and once they're properly combined, you're going to add your shortening, and you're going to use a pastry cutter, and you're going to cut your shortening into small crumbs. At that point, you're going to also add your cold water, and you're going to bring all of everything together until you make a dough, and you're going to set it aside and chill it for while you make everything else. For the next step, you're going to beat your eggs, and you're going to add half a cup of sugar to that. And then at that point, you're going to also add your vanilla until the entire mixture takes on a lighter color. Once you've combined your eggs with your vanilla and half a cup of sugar, you're going to take your ricotta and you're going to combine that with salt. And then at that point, you will add the rest of your sugar in with that and your lemon zest. And once both of the mixtures are properly combined, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them both together. For the next step, you're going to take your dough out of the fridge and you're going to section it off into small rounds. And then at that point, you're going to make your little turnovers. So you can either use a pasta machine, you can use like maybe a round glass because it has to be about 4 inches in diameter. At this point, once your ricotta mixture is combined, your dough is all ready to go, you're going to take your dough rounds, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of the ricotta mixture there, then I'm going to fold them over, press all around the edges so it looks like a little pierogi, and then I'm going to take a bit of my egg wash and water and just put it on the top, and they're all ready to go in the oven. Now it's time for the taste test. Honestly, these little calzoni look amazing. Let's try them. It's like a crunch on the outside, taste of heaven on the inside. And the ricotta is not too sweet. You can taste the lemon, definitely. Let me take another bite. Wow. These are definitely a keeper recipe. Amazing. For those of you who want to try this recipe, it is below in the description box. As well, check out my page on Instagram at Taste of Roseto Valfortore, where you will find behind the scenes photos, videos, and content. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you've tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, buon appetito! And you're also going to, do you want to do that again? Oh, that was bad. That was bad. I don't know why. The first one I I did okay. This one's bad. Or dough? I don't know. Wrong dough. Oh. Okay. Do it again. My English is terrible. Okay, do it again. Little bites. See what you're going to do. Oh. Ow. You're taping?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
Okay. Shit. Do it again.